475 workers detained in a single day, one of the biggest immigration raids in recent U.S. history. In southeast Georgia, federal agents raided the Hyundai LG EV battery construction site, detaining around 450 workers in a massive enforcement action. Homeland Security investigations, IC, FBI, ATF, and DEA carried out the raid on the $4.3 billion facility near Savannah, halting construction. Authorities are investigating unlawful employment practices and other serious violations. For Hyundai, car production continues, but this plant and South Korea's investment image took a hit. The South Korean government expressed concern, sending diplomats to support detained nationals. For workers, the impact was sudden. Videos show people in yellow safety vests lined up by agents as Georgia State Patrol shut down the site. What began as a job ended in detentions and uncertainty. For Indian and South Korean nationals, the takeaway is urgent. Keep visas valid, document your employment, and seek legal help if detained. Companies must also ensure compliance to avoid crippling raids. Georgia has already seen ICE arrests surge nearly 367% this year. The message is clear: immigration status and workplace compliance matter more than ever. Comment "Protect Workers" if you agree, and subscribe for more updates on global immigration.